Watch up patola, slow down.
Jesus Christ.
Slow down. Not kill my car.
Right now, me stressed out now.
Where's this on it?
Dog, move now, dog. I'm talking on the road, sir.
Not him now. Watch up patola.
Where you come here? It's a busy street here for now.
You not busy?
3 car past me already.
I just stay fly like the bird and the bees them. New them street them, me need them. Have you ever seen them? The new Louis V them. Man, I spend them money like.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Live for the Experience. And today, y'all, we're in a car today because I'm gonna learn how to drive. I started to learn how to drive in Barbados like early 2020, but then COVID happened and then it was a wrap. It was a wrap after that, and I didn't go back after the whole COVID thing was over. So now I'm gonna learn how to drive in Jamaica, and yeah. Oh yeah, and if you haven't subscribed us yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button.
Fix the mirror.
Which mirror? This?
Yeah, see through this. You can just look, glance and see.
Yeah, I see carrot come.
Yeah, see that.
And this here, I see piece of the carrot in the back.
Car in a drive. Always put your hand back before you move the hand. Yeah. Foot on the brakes. No. Put the car in the drive.
Nah, move. Tell me, put that fabric.
Yeah. Jesus. Yeah, take it without fabric. Take it without fabric.
Why? We can't. I'm done. I'm done. I know what I want to eat.
No.
I know what I want to eat. No, I know what I want to eat.
Oh, you're gonna light up right now.
That's
me stare and you something.
It has moved so fast.
Take your foot out. Your foot off of the brakes. You can't block up the road now.
Alright, go on.
Got people there. No, stay on the left side. You drive on the left. Just take it out.
Look, I really forgot how to do this. I'm nervous.
Same turn. Your aim is to stay on the left. Don't go way over there.
How much patrol down here so now?
Hey, right?
How may I go straight?
Just straight. Your mirror is important here. I don't know what's it on the phone.
You can't look in the mirror right now, my face in front of me. When them pick me, I go, no, Lord, I'm missing.
I mean, when you pick me up, people go up on the road. Tell the blood say, you're not, you're struggle.
This not go up here, man.
No,
I'm staying at the food. Embarrassed.
I'm embarrassed, no. I'm never impressed. Alright, so you're 25
Enough people are all on a drive, you know, and I'm only one, but just to say, the fact that when the first time I pressed the gas, it was like, oh my god.
You're pressing too hard.
Now when you grow on, can you touch your brake, shadow your brake and cool on yourself and grow on. Like now, shadow your brake no? Shadow your brake. Hey, tap! Bumbo blood clot! You don't see brake that's up?
Yeah man, me just...
Shadow your brake, understand now? It's not easy.
Yeah, of course it's easy.
It's not easy.
Yeah, it's easy. Oh.
Ain't no more I'm going. Oh, come here.
Alright. Watch up patola, slow down.
Jesus Christ.
Slow down. Not kill my car. Slow down. Yeah.
But I'm not for the on this side here. Oh, so much car down here so now.
I'm okay.
Wow, I could slow up this man. Down fast.
Yeah, drive almost 0.
Oh. And that I can't look fine. That looked like a day 9 or 10.
Yeah, probably not.
I must think a gunman a drive when you told me I move slow. I've seen people learn to drive when you wait for time. No.
Yeah. The car go left.
What do you mean we go left?
I'll go on the roundabout and I'll go home.
Summers. Right now, me stressed out, you know.
It's just on it.
Dog, move the dog. I'm talking on road, sir.
I'm not one move, man. One move. Watch up, what
Where you come here? It's a busy street here for now.
You're not busy?
Look here. 3 car past me already.
Just use your brake. No, yeah. Yeah, I'm a guy right there.
I'm not looking, man.
You're not looking.
Feel comfortable now, though.
You can come on. I'll come out and just watch your truck and go.
Who?
Yeah.
Go on then. Shop.
I'm not even 7 o'clock yet.
Hungry, man. This made me hungry. This made me hungry.
Watch it.
It made me really hungry. I'm not telling you.
Yeah, must it?
At 22 minutes now, that's a record for
Exactly. We're not do this 30 minutes. Yeah, 22 minutes and you drive slow. That's how. Alright.
Go on, that tongue and laugh after me. Yeah. That's you. We can't drive fast on this road. Yeah, watch him. Oh, wait, turn there. Safari turn it there.
Remember, yeah, drive slow. Hey. Man, what? Hey, man, I want to see, man. Man, let me go to the screen, right?
That is it. Boy, hey. It feel nice when you rev up, you know. When you rev up, feel nice.
It feel nice, yes?
Yeah.
I think people drive fast. Wow, so that was a good turn. At least you're on the right side. My road, I will have a patrol, so you have to go down to the patrol now.
Alright, y'all, so I'm on the last stretch of this little lesson. This big lesson. Ain't gonna lie, it was tough. I still feel awkward on the steering. Actually, now one more patrol again.
I'll try you too for that drive.
Oh, yeah, sorry, I took you too.
You can't feel, so I used to for that drive.
Oh, gotta go in and out.
I use the left foot.
Boy, what big patrol there? Sorry.
I use the left foot, I use the right foot.
I'm gonna drop in a patrol now?
Good.
Boy. Hey.
I'm looking dog now. I'm dog, protect me now. Hey, slow down.
I'm there, so slow, but look on me.
Go on, go move. That's the way I lick you. Jesus Christ. See, one of them come. Go on now.
You move?
Move. I'm not going to say nothing. You don't have sense now. My head is mountain now. Hey, you want the next one?
Tired with everything. No. I like off this now.
I say first I put it in the park.
Mm-hmm.
Pull up a handbrake.
Mm-hmm.
And take a foot off and turn it off. Good. Ready?
Yeah, I'm stressed out. For my first lesson, I'm stressed out, man. It's never easy. Especially the first time I move off, I'm going to whoosh. I'm going to press on the brake. It's nerve-wracking the first time. I'm not know. Like, hopefully next lesson will be better. But right now, I'm speechless. Honestly, speechless. But anyway, y'all, thanks for living for the experience with me, and I'll catch you in my next video. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. Bye.